Hi, my name is Mark with the Dirt Locker here at Elegant Gardens Nursery in Moorepark, California. And I'm particularly excited about working with Elegant Gardens because the vastness of this nursery. They have 14 acres and a variety of plants, a variety of different ornaments that you can use in your garden. And it's not just a place where you come and buy plants. It's a garden where you can walk through and actually enjoy yourself while you're here. They have nice pathways. You can see different groupings of plants. You can see how different products can work in your, and really envision how they might work in your yard, be it rocks, stone, mulch, or succulents, or do I want flowers? They have it all here, and it's just a great place to be, and that's why we're so excited about what we did here today, which is create a display that specifically addresses the needs of their customers who grow on hillsides and who have been troubled over the years trying to grow on hillsides and been either moderately or less than moderately successful in doing so. We've heard that from both customers and the staff here that there aren't a lot of products out there that really can help people who want to grow on hillsides or address the needs of folks who want to turn those slopes and those hard to grow on areas into gardens. And this is the place to do it. And we want to work with Elegant Gardens, and we want to work with other nurseries in establishing specific and custom displays that will help you address the needs of your customers. Today, this display we put together, it was initially just flat area. We partnered with Elegant Gardens in order to actually put a mound in place. We established how big of an area we would want to use. We established how high we wanted this so that the customers could really get an idea of what this product is for and how it could be useful to them. So we started from nothing, from flat ground, built up this, and then created this display, and then worked with the staff and the ownership here to create a garden that addresses the needs of the customers. So we are committed to making sure that you and your customers are successful. We are committed to making sure that you have the best information to be able to put this system together. So on our website at dirtlocker.com, we have instructional videos. We have an estimator that will help you establish how many dirt lockers will be needed for a specific area. We'll also help you calculate what the slope is, and depending on that slope, which dirt locker model you can use. We have dirt lockers of different heights that will address different slopes and different grades of planting. So we have that. We have also the different models in terms of colors and sizes, and again, lots of information that will help you be successful.